Are you looking to customize your Facebook page by hiding your avatar from your profile? Let's walk through the simple steps on how to disable the display of your avatar on your Facebook page. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu options. Next, switch to the specific page you want to make changes to by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to edit. Now tap on your page's profile picture. Look for the Edit icon at the top right corner of the screen and give it a tap. Within the editing options, locate the Avatar section. Here, you will find the option to toggle off Show on Profile. Simply switch off this setting to disable the display of your avatar on your Facebook page's profile. Congratulations! You have successfully hidden your avatar from your Facebook page's profile. Enjoy the personalized touch to your page with this simple adjustment. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your social media profiles effectively. Thank you for watching.